Welcome back to Walter Man, and today I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone SE second generation right here. And yes, this is the 128 gigabyte product red iPhone SE. So I bought this a couple weeks ago. I pre-ordered it, and it finally came here today. It just came in the mail like 20 minutes ago. So I'm going to be unboxing it right now. And I only have one shot at this. A lot of time on my YouTube videos I have to remake them a bunch, but I'm going to do it one time. So just for a comparison real quick, this is the original iPhone SE box. As you can see, it is quite a bit smaller. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and begin the unboxing. Okay, so to open this up, there is just this little green tab right here. Here we go. It's the first time I actually opened up an iPhone that was sealed. Alright, here's the box. Go ahead and lift it up. Okay, and then we have this little paperwork right here. Some red stuff, red paper, but anyway, here it is. Here is the iPhone SE. Oh, wow. So, I mean, it looks the same as the iPhone 8, but it has a way faster chip inside of it. Oh boy, that is red right there. Man, I seen people unbox these so much on like YouTube, but man, actually hold it and look at it. Oh, it looks so cool. Okay, alright, I'm gonna actually just look in the box real quick. It just comes with the standard charger, and it comes with earphones right here, and the lightning cable, or earpods, whatever you want to call them. Okay, so here it is. Here's the iPhone SE. It has the little product red badge right there, or text, because it is product red. Go ahead and remove this. Oh, okay, that felt so nice. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. If it is charged, there we go. Okay, it's charged, good. Oh man, I mean, sure, I know it is an older phone, but Apple just makes it feel like it's brand new. And that camera right there, it's gonna be nice. I can record my YouTube videos in like 4K now and everything, instead of using this little camera on my iPod Touch. But here it is. So, I mean, the bezels on it are quite big, but I mean, I don't care. This is $400. It starts at $400. I paid $450 because I wanted 128 gigabytes, so I can have plenty of storage. It has just the lightning connector right down here. No headphone jack. Hopefully I'll get used to that. I have to see. The centered Apple logo, which I like the look of that. Looks very nice. Okay, so I'm going to set this up real quick and I'll be back. Okay, so I just got done. I set it up a couple minutes ago. I've been using it, and it is so much faster than my iPod or my iPad, because both of those have an A8 chip in them. I believe this has the A13 chip inside of it. It is so nice. It has Touch ID, which is nothing new, but the camera for sure is just amazing. I mean, okay, it's not as good, let's say, as the iPhone 11 Pro Max, but still, or iPhone 11 Pro, but it's so good for a single lens camera like that. I am so impressed. I was going around my room using the camera, recording 4K, and it looks so nice. And the speaker is also very nice. I also I took a video on here and sent it over to my iPod, and my iPod couldn't even play it. It was just like skipping. I don't know what was wrong with that. Okay, so now I'm going to be recording on the iPhone SE, second generation. And hopefully you can see that the camera quality looks a lot better. Right now I am recording in 1080p at 60 frames per second. I don't know if it's going to play back at that speed when I upload this to YouTube. And hopefully the audio does sound better, as this does have improved microphones compared to like my iPod Touch. This is the iPod Touch 6th generation. This is what I was using. I just had this tiny camera right there. It wasn't very good, as you could probably tell from a lot of my videos. But now I do have the iPhone SE. So I do like this phone a lot better. I've had it for a day, and or actually 2 days now, and I really do like it. It's so much faster than my iPod. This had the A8 chip inside of it. This has the A13. The exact same chip as the iPhone 11 right here. Now the camera is about the same as the iPhone 8 camera, but it does have that newer chip inside of it, so it can kind of process the images and videos to make them look a little bit better. It has portrait mode, which I'm not 100% sure if the iPhone 8 has that or not. But if not, this is a new feature for the SE. Of course, it doesn't have 2 cameras or 3 cameras like the iPhone 11 or iPhone 11 Pro. But it just has that single lens camera, but it is still really good. And I do like it a whole bunch. I mean, it does have a slightly older screen on it, but it does have Touch ID and all those features. And I really do enjoy it, and hopefully I can produce better YouTube videos that sound better and have better quality of video. And I might upload some of them in 4K, but it sounds like it'll probably take a long time to actually upload that to YouTube in 4K. So I'll have to see how that goes. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. And please like and subscribe to Walterman, and I'll see you next time.